hope that thing hasn't followed me. That thing's a fiery thing from hell. It's coming to kill me again.
Oh my God. Oh my God, you just killed that guy. Oh my God, guys, that reporter guy just got killed.
What? Oh, geez, don't touch it. Oh, man, I see way too many dead bodies. Oh, man.
What, 2? 2 maybe?
Huh?
2?
2, yeah.
2.
2.
Okay.
This will be after 3. Oh, that's gross. Oh, it stains blood.
Okay. Okay. Come caught up with him. It's his fault. We have to like.
Alright, let's just go. Let's just go now, man. Alright.
Are you survivors?
Okay. Yeah. Of course, it's survivors.
Yes, we're survivors.
Where is it?
Come with me quickly.
Sorry, this is. You must have gotten the wrong book. This is pictures of Iggy, Dino, and Tom, and Barney.
Oh,
and a couple of...
I saw Tinkerbell back there.
Oh.
There's like...
Okay. Okay, so you're the man. You know what's going on. What do you think we should do?
I don't know.
You don't know.
But I do have an idea.
What's your idea?
You run off and go and get more survivors, and I wait here. This monster's my life now. Nothing else can stop it. Go, quick, go. You got 8 days.
Right. The old man said we had to get out of here and we have to find survivors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, survivors got to be around here somewhere. Let's start looking. Alright?
Let's go.
Go on. Alright.
How many survivors are we gonna find, you know?
As many as possible, you know?
Yeah.
There's got to be some survivors around here. Whoa, oh my God!
Oh my God.
Survivors!
Oh.
Hey, you alright?
Disgusting. Oh, you guys all stink.
Hey, let's get him out of there. Oh, Ollie! Oh, they do stink.
You got.
You
Oh.
guys been eating! Come on, get out of there! Come on! Come on! Oh, God! That stinks! Oh, what is that? You guys smell like carcass.
Oh.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Are you guys okay? You guys are okay?
Are you guys... Alright. Here.
Did we take them along?
I think... Okay, they're probably hungry. Okay, let's go back to the old guy's place and get some food for them.
Okay, get up. Get up. Where's the
come
old
on.
man?
Come on, he should be in this cabin over here. Come on. Hey, over there! Hey, man. Oh, he's again.
What is it you seek?
We need a passage to safety. We need somewhere to hide.
Yeah, like. Yeah.
Do you know anywhere we could go?
I have more information about the monster.
What would that
He's got
be?
to finish his stories, you know. It'll look like there's the information. So he's walking.
There are certain places where the monster must not go. But be warned, other monsters will lurk there even worse or not as bad. Take this. Make sure you stop.
Holy cow! This is an awesome map. Look at that. Look at the detail.
Make sure you stop at
Whoa, man.
McDonald's. Pick some up for me. I like the happy
Google Maps.
I like the Happy Meal.
Oh, McDonald's. Oh, we got. It circles around, and I have to go to McDonald's twice.
Yes.
Why do I have to go to McDonald's twice?
I like McDonald's.
Okay, maybe it's a food thing.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, these guys are... Alright, yeah, sure, okay, man. We'll see you later, alright?
And I saw your friends there look like cannibals. Yeah, they'll probably need some McDonald's. Come on, let's go. Come on. Alright, here. Keep moving. Thank you, old man.
Yes, they are great munchers. That McDonald's is good. I'm loving it.
I'm hungry.
Where's that?